how to update your YouTube app on your iPhone. So with iPhone, there's two options that we can do. So let's go to the first option. Go ahead to your app store, wherever it may be on your phone. And you want to go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen here and go ahead and type in YouTube. And from here, it may say update, it may say open. So go ahead and click on YouTube and it may just say open here. So if it says open, that means that the update is not available on the App Store itself. But what we can do is come out of here, go to your settings, and then from here, you want to go down to where it says general, and then go to iPhone storage. And from here, you want to go down to your apps here and go ahead and go find YouTube. So we can just keep scrolling and we should be able to find your YouTube app. What we can do is go ahead and type in YouTube as well. And from what you can do from here is actually offload the app. So what that's going to do is offload the app. That gets rid of a lot of cache and back data and things like that. And then you'll get an option to reinstall the app. So what that's going to do is it's going to force YouTube to reinstall on your phone, but to give you the newest version that it can possibly give you from this point forward. So from this point, if you can't update your app through the App Store, you can come in here and offload the app and reinstall it, and you'll have the newest version of YouTube on your phone. It takes a couple seconds, but once you have it, go ahead and open up YouTube, and you'll have the